Every single creamed dish you make is always gonna start off with a roux. So what exactly is a roux? A roux is a thickening agent. It's an even part of fat and flour. So today we're gonna be using butter as our fat and just a regular all-purpose flour. So we started off low and slow. We're gonna go ahead and add our fat and then our flour. So we're gonna let the butter melt a little bit before we get that flour in there. It's about a couple tablespoons of butter here. Okay, so we can go ahead and add our flour as that's cooking down. You're gonna wanna cook out that raw flour taste. That takes about a minute or so. Flour likes to burn. So you're gonna wanna make sure you're moving around constantly. When you're cooking down a roux, they sometimes will say, oh, it kind of looks like the consistency of wet sand. Now is a good time to add our liquid. In this case, we are adding some heavy cream. We're gonna do this slow and make sure before you add any kind of liquid to a roux that liquid is room temperature or hot. If it's cold, it's gonna solidify your butter. You're gonna make sure it's mixed in completely before you keep adding. Nice. So we can go ahead and add all of the liquid at this point. We're gonna season with a little bit of sugar and some of Lawry's seasoned salt. And you will always know when a roux gets to its thickening point, you have to wait till it comes to a boil. That is when you'll know it's too thick or it's not thick enough. And then we add all the cream corn. We're gonna add all of that. And then when it's nice and thickened up, we're just gonna adjust with some salt and pepper, and there you have your cream corn.